PanBam with normalized cloth, and I wanted to bring you a quick video just showing what I do sometimes, which is hacking at diapers. Well, actually, it's more like I've had this Thirsties All-in-One for a while, and I've used it, and honestly, not much. It looks really pilly, slight staining from when Holtwood was a little baby, but for the most part, it's actually like the microfiber's still really thick and real absorbent, and there's no issues with that per se. I just don't like the absorbency of it. Problem is that finding Aspen Grove is pretty hard anymore, but I want to be able to use this, and I feel like adding an insert to this, it just makes it too bulky. So, game plan. Hack the tongue out, sew my own insert in. This is a Pannolino Bambino insert. Incredibly absorbent and super trim. I'm thinking with this insert paired with what little bit of absorbency is in the shell lining here, that this is actually going to be a very usable diaper for me. Another cool thing about the PanBam insert too is that this side is a stay dry. So to get started, you know, I had of course my diaper, the replacement insert that would be the new tongue, and my seam ripper. And I used my seam ripper to get the old tongue ripped out, which actually proved to be a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I opted for the seam ripper rather than just hacking it out because I wanted it to look prettier, but honestly, I mean, there's so much space there, you could just cut it out. Then I was pretty grossed out by all of the pills, so I took my pill shaver to it to get all of those pills off that bottom. Then I went to my sewing machine, and you'll see I'm actually separating the fabric, the lining from the PUL to make sure I don't sew through the PUL. That would be bad. And I use my clips to just clip the insert under the fold, as you can see. I have a poor angle and my hands keep getting in the way, so I apologize, but it was not really all that complicated. Just pinch it and clip the insert to it. You can put the insert on top or bottom. I put it on the bottom so that it would look nicer, but if you wanted it to lay flatter, you could put it on top and it would lay a little bit better. And then simply sew it across. I used a straight stitch, nothing fancy, just make sure you back tack, and I actually sewed it twice. I wanted to make certain that that insert would not come out. I mean, the original only had one seam, but I did two because I want this thing to stay. If you are using an insert with a stay dry side, make sure your stay dry side is facing the right way. I opted to put my insert in the front rather than in the back to kind of keep it the way most of my other Thirsties diapers are. You know, their tongues are sewn in the front, not the back. That's all there is to it. And this worked out really well. Another thing, this insert is so perfect. So I'm really excited because I feel like I just gave life back to this diaper again. And that means I'll be able to use it for my next baby. It does still have the microfiber liner. It just now has, like, I believe this is a bamboo hemp blend. These inserts are incredibly trim, but super absorbent. On top of that, they have that stay dry side. So I hope you enjoyed this really short video of how I converted this diaper from something that's been sitting in and out of my storage semi-uselessly for several years into a diaper that I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of now. This diaper was actually, even as it was before I hacked it apart, was in excellent used condition. Some might say very good because of the pilling, but you get rid of the pilling and the stain and it's like practically new. Pilling is now gone. It looks all nice and clean. Nice absorbent insert. So if you want to see more videos like this, just let me know. I like posting these sometimes because we can be like deer in headlights when it comes to cutting a diaper. It's like, you guys all have a blessed day. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Oh, and keep your eyes peeled because I do have some more giveaways in mind for you guys. See ya!
I will let them go. It's getting harder to hide it. I'm like a beacon shining through. The darkness cannot fight it. New strength is burning in